Check, 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 1, 2. It's noon here and kind of an interesting moment. We are coming down. Overall, the ES is starting to near the bottom of this range, and normally I'd be thinking that this is going to be a range reversion type of play. Microsoft coming into this 237, setting up, Meta coming into this 136, setting up, but part of me feels like we might actually blow through here and continue downward, and I'm not sure yet. So I think it's still front side if it's a reversion trade. Things are still moving down though. And we're continuing to move down. Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia. Tough to say here whether this is a break or a mean reversion. Tough to say. Market's not broken yet. This looks like it might just fall apart here. I think I might have to move down to the 40s if it's going to be a break. I'm thinking about playing the break actually. So this just looks heavy, heavy, heavy. I think I'm gonna play the break. think I'm gonna play the break. See if I can get it. Everything on lows. Would need a pop up. Microsoft continuing to move down. Netflix moving down. But I might switch if I see something change. Baba breaking. Interesting. And AMD on lows. Tesla coming in hard. Amazon. Gosh, part of me thinks I might need to be even more aggressive, down to like 25. Right on the top side of this, things are falling apart here. Where's that? Oops. Meta, I want over here, and Microsoft, I want over here. Here comes a pop in Meta. Yeah, we're at the very bottom of this range. This is a tough call. Microsoft reclaiming, canceling my Meta short. Microsoft looks to be coming back up in. But watching closely, I wouldn't have gotten filled anyways. This got up to 20 cents. Got close, but did not get up high enough. Reset the low a day there. Looks like it would have gotten filled there. No, got up to 26 cents. What was that, 29 or 28 cents, I think. And we're teetering right at the bottom of that market range right now. Gonna be a little bit patient here and watch to see what happens. AMD continuing lower. Apple continuing lower. Tesla. Amazon. Nvidia. Microsoft. Google straight into that level. Tough to say right now. It looks like a reversion trade right now. Microsoft coming back in again. Tricky spot. Tricky spot. Gonna hold off putting anything on right now until I see the market actually crack. Is it gonna hold this level or is it gonna crack? We are sitting right at that spot. Sitting right down here at that spot. So that needs to be decisively dealt with. BABA continuing lower. Microsoft on lows. Microsoft on lows. I think I need to find a way into this Meta. Probably right here for a partial. Gonna hit the bid there at 92 cents And if we get back up to 20, I'll put another piece on, but I'm not going to risk as far up. So I hit the bid at the bottom, have an average price of 92 cents. Looking for more follow through to the downside, unless this is all a trap. And it doesn't actually, yeah, now it's trapping. Popping back up. Looked like it was weak, and now it's popping back up. Let's see what happens. Feels like the floodgates are going to open out as well. Tough to say. This level is breaching right now on the ES. Breaching on the ES. And there goes the market down further. And it's lights out after that on Meta. Yeah. Microsoft, new lows. Microsoft, new lows. There's the speed of the ticker going. What was this spot here? 11 cents. Meta not really going yet. Looks like it's hanging on to that 36. Everything else is going. There goes Nvidia to lows. And I'm trying to figure out a way to get more size on to this Meta trade. Meta at lows. Everything running. So it looks like I was correct in the break piece of it, but it doesn't really matter because I need to get more size on. There's Meta on fresh lows. I wonder if I can get something on at like 89 cents against like 25 cents. Or no, probably more like 70 cents. Damn, that's a lot. Probably need to have that be a tighter stop for that 89-cent ad. Probably above 40. Gonna try to put that with the stop out on that to be above 40 and the other one to be above 70. We'll see if we can get it on a retest. But I think, I mean, look at Tesla going. Wow. And everything going. Everything going. Tesla really falling apart here. and I get an 89 retest. Let's see. Pretty nice move here. Down in Meta. Tesla on lows. Market breaking that level, starting to move down. I mean, things could either suck back up in, and we could pop right back up here, or we could really bleed off here. So it's kind of open right now. Popping up to the 60s. Let's see if we can get more size on up in the 80s. I actually think I'm going to move this down a little bit. I think that if we do crack through 135, could go down to the 70s. Let's see if we get that break. Microsoft continuing to go. Tesla, heavy. Microsoft moving really nicely on that break. AMD as well. Very, very heavy red ticker here. Here's Meta continuing to move. Let's see if Meta can get down, test that 35. If things really start falling apart here, this could accelerate downward. I feel like the test of a 35 whole number is high, but I also don't want to ignore the tape, and I also don't want to have this whole thing suck right back up on me. Let's see what this looks like. Unfortunate I wasn't able to get my full size on. I'd be sitting in a nice position right here. What did it get to back on that pop? Got to like 60 cents. Like 61 cents. Everything on lows. Microsoft coming into another level here at 235. Big level. Let's see if Meta can go challenge this 35. Saw the teens briefly there. There's the teens. Let's see if they can go underneath. There's 10 cents. There's the 5 cent. Let's see if they blast through here and get down to the 80s. Did not get a fill there. Did not get a fill there. Gonna take 2 off there. It got really close. Did not get a fill. So I just took the 2 off with a market order. Looks like I got 3 cents. Pretty nice big extended down move. There would have been the fill. This might be the bottom here for this. Gonna take it right there. Gonna take it right there. Got 4 cents and just gonna take that break right there. Gonna have to go back to work anyways. I'm gonna set a new low a day on Meta. Microsoft might have an opportunity for a reversion here. Look at the drop down into that 235. That's actually quite the level for Microsoft here at 235.